Hello, and welcome to English Podcasts for Beginners. I'm Lovely. This is a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. Today, we are talking about a very powerful and helpful feeling. This feeling is called gratitude. Gratitude. What does this big word mean? It is simple. Gratitude means being thankful. It means when you stop and you appreciate the good things in your life. When you feel gratitude, you feel joyful. Why is this feeling important? How can we feel more joyful every day? Please stay with me. Let's learn together about how simple thankfulness brings happiness. Let's start with a clear definition. Gratitude is remembering the good. Many times in our daily life, we think about problems. We worry about things that are difficult. But when we choose to practice gratitude, we are changing where our mind looks. We are choosing to look for the good. We do not have to look for big things. Gratitude is found in the small things. Think about right now. Are you listening to this podcast? Maybe you are drinking a warm cup of tea. Maybe the sun is shining outside. Maybe someone helped you today. These small, good moments are important. When you notice these simple moments, you feel thankful. This is the feeling of gratitude. This simple act of noticing the good helps your brain feel calm and happy. So, how can we practice gratitude every day? The word practice means doing something regularly. We can train our minds to be more thankful. Here is a simple way to practice. Look for 3 good things. At the end of your day, stop for 1 minute, find a quiet place, and then remember 3 things that happened that day that were good. They can be very simple things. Maybe you finished a difficult task at work. That is good. Maybe you ate a delicious, warm meal. That is good. Maybe your family or your friends are healthy. That is very good. Write them down or just say them in your mind. I am thankful for my success. I am thankful for this meal. I am thankful for my family. When you remember these 3 good things, you feel happy. This simple practice helps you to see the good that is always around you. We are training our minds to notice the good, not only the problems. When we practice gratitude, our life truly begins to change. We start to feel more peaceful. Why? When you focus on what you already have, you forget what you do not have. This feeling of enough is very calming for the heart. Gratitude is an action that brings joy. If you feel stressed, stop and think, what is one small thing I'm thankful for right now? Maybe it's the chair you are sitting on, which holds you safely. Maybe it's your comfortable shoes. When you say thank you, your worries can feel a little bit smaller. You focus on the positive energy of thankfulness. Your body feels less worried. You feel peace. This simple mental thank you is a great gift you give to yourself. The more you practice seeing the good, the more good you find. Gratitude always brings joy. Let's quickly review the key idea from today. Gratitude means being thankful. It is a choice we make every day. It is the simple practice of looking for the small, good moments in life. Stop today and notice 3 good things that happened. Tell them to yourself. Say, thank you. This simple feeling of thankfulness is a gift. It helps you feel more joyful, more peaceful, and less worried in your daily life. Gratitude brings joy. I'm so thankful that you took the time to listen and practice your English today. Remember, keep practicing your English every day. Be patient with yourself. You are doing great work. Have a wonderful day, and we will talk again soon. Goodbye for now.